Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, I'm going to show you to make sure that you're seeing your smartwatch on the battery widget on for your Galaxy Watch. This is a Galaxy Watch 4, should apply to the 5 as well on older devices. Now of course, if you want to see the notifications, here I have the phone charge percentage. It's also telling me the charge of the watch. This is just simple, the battery widget. It's very easy to find the battery widget, just in case you do not know. You can simply find a blank space, long press, go to widgets and simply search for battery. It's actually this widget. All right. So today's fix is for those who are not getting or seeing their watch on the widget. So if it's not coming up, usually these are the issues. So the first thing I'll check in case it's not coming up on your device is to make sure that your phone and the watch are connected. As you can see here, it shows that there's no impediment, so therefore it's connected. And I could also go to wearable, and I could go to wear. Let me just back out a bit, and here if I go here, it will show that it's connected. So it shows connected, so it is connected, so it should be detecting it. If that doesn't work guys, go ahead and long press, go to settings, all right, and go to device to show, and make sure Galaxy Watch is on. Maybe it's off. If it's off, make sure you turn it on. All right, so I'm going to go back, so and hit save. In this case I'm just going to cancel since it's okay, and it should show up. If it doesn't show up guys, another thing is that if the watch software is outdated, you'll need to update the software. So what you'd have to do is, for example, if you just got this and it's very old, the software is very old, it will not be compatible, as this was a later added widget. It wasn't added at the start of the device, so this was something that came later on. So if you're running an older device software, you're gonna have issues. So what I suggest you do again is you go to Galaxy Wearable, which is the control. You can control the your watch from here. So go to here. Once you go here, you can go ahead and go to watch settings, and then you can go to about watch. All right. From here, go to software information, and of course this is the software information for the watch. And as you can see here, you should be at least on the latest version or older. So that's One UI 4.5 with system version 11. So if you have the latest system version, you should be good. So make sure it's updated. This one is patch level is for January 1st 2023. So make sure you have the latest patch, and of course if you do that, it should show up. So if you're not seeing, one of those should fix the issue to have your watch shown on the home screen widget. All right, so that's what I did to have mine shown. All right, so I'm ending the tutorial here, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.